Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 15. The most versatile of all packaging material is dash: A. Paperboard, B. Leaves, C. Leather, and D. Metal. Now we are asked to pick out of this following packaging material the most versatile. Now what is packaging? First of all, packaging here simply refers to what the science. Packaging is the science or arts of keeping. The art of keeping agricultural products for distribution or storage or for sale or use. Now, for us to keep these agricultural products in a safe condition, we have some packaging materials that enable us to do this, and some of these packaging materials include the metal, we have the leather, we have the nylon or the polythene bag, and also we have the paperboard. Now the question says, which of these packaging material here is the most versatile? That is, which of these packaging material can be used for different kinds of agricultural products? And I want you to know that option D here, metal, is the right answer to this question, because metal is the most versatile of all packaging material. Why? Metal can be used to package grain crops like your rice, your corn. It can also be used to package meats. It can be used to package fish. It can be used to package various things. Metal is the most versatile of all packaging material, unlike the paperboard, the leaves, and the leather. So the correct answer to this question is option D, metal. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.